डियर स्टूडेंट, अभी आपको एक मैटर बोला जा रहा है। ये लीगल मैटर है, 100 वर्ड की स्पीड है। यही मैटर को आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 120 वर्ड की स्पीड से बोला जाएगा। लेट अस स्टार्ट। इंफॉर्मेशन एज टू नॉन कॉग्निजेबल केस एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ सच केसेस 174(1). When information is given to an officer in charge of a police station of the commission within the limit of such station of a non-cognizable offence, he shall enter or cause to be entered the substance of the information in a book to be kept by such officer in such form as the state government may by rule prescribe in this behalf, and refer the informant to the magistrate. Forward the daily diary report of all such cases fortnightly to the magistrate. No police officer shall investigate a cognizable case without the order of a magistrate having power to try such case or commit the case for trial. Any police officer receiving such order may exercise the same power in respect of the investigation, except the power to arrest without warrant, as an officer in charge of a police station may exercise in a cognizable case. Where a case relates to two or more offences of which at least one is cognizable, the case shall be deemed to be a cognizable case, notwithstanding that the other offences are non-cognizable. Corresponding provision section 155 of CRPC 1973. Police officers' power to investigate cognizable case 175(1). Any officer in charge of a police station may, without the order of a magistrate, investigate any cognizable case which the court having jurisdiction over the local area within the limit of such station would have power to inquire into or try under the provision of chapter 14. If it appears to the officer in charge of police station that there is no sufficient ground for entering on an investigation, he shall not investigate the case. Provided further that in relation to an offence of rape, the recording of statement of the victim shall be conducted at the residence of the victim or in the place of her choice, and as far as practicable by a woman police officer in the presence of her parents or guardian or near relatives or social workers of the locality, and such statement may also be recorded through any audio, video, electronic means including mobile phone. In each of the cases mentioned in clause A and B of the first proviso is subsection 1, the officer in charge of the police station shall state in his report the reasons for not fully complying with the requirements of that subsection by him, and forward the diary report fortnightly to the magistrate, and in the case mentioned in clause B of the said proviso, the officer shall also forthwith notify to the informant if any such manner as may be prescribed by rules made by the state government. On receipt of every information relating to the commission of an offence which is made punishable for 7 years or more, the officer in charge of a police station shall, from such date as may be notified within a period of 5 years by the state government in this regard, cause the forensic expert to visit the crime scene to collect forensic evidence in the offense and also cause videography of the process on mobile phone or any other electronic device. Stop.